On another note, there was something else I wanted to show you with regards to customization of your page. Some of you might want to do page backgrounds, images as backgrounds, or change the color, that sort of thing. You have access to all of those features by clicking Page Properties here at the bottom. And this gives you this dialog box where you can change the default font, so the font that when you start typing it types it automatically in, so you don't have to go and select it. You can change the default size even, so that again when you start typing it just defaults to that size. Also the text color, you can make it a gray instead of a black, or whatever color works with your site scheme. The background color, this is where you select the background color of your whole site. These are some colors that are suggested. You could click on this little wheel here and bring up the luminosity here, and we can see that we've got essentially a very large selection of colors you could be choosing for a background. If I chose a burnt yellow color, let's say, and hit apply, all of a sudden I have that color as the background of my site. Now be careful when you use these, because these can be very, very distracting on your websites. Choose something that is appropriate, something that kind of goes with your site scheme, and yeah, hopefully you can end up with a really nice customized site to your liking. So these are some of the features. If you chose a background image, you could actually input an image as a background, which is kind of useful. Again, be careful which image you choose. If it's too busy, it can be very, very distracting. You can also change, let's say, some of the features with the headings. So those presets we talked about in the first video, you can actually change what they look like in this dialog as well. So feel free to play around and kind of investigate what each of these do. Some may be useful to you. Again, a lot of the features in Dreamweaver, it's such an extensive program, not all of us use all of the features, so we have to experiment a little bit to find all the features that we as individuals will be using.